Hi, I'm Mike, and this is the all-new Škoda Kodiaq. This SUV is coming in its second generation with a lot of innovations and new features. The new top LED matrix headlights are making the face of the car, can be connected through the horizontal light strip in the front mast. The 20-inch wheels are an offer, squared-off wheel arches are completing the SUV character, and stylish detail, D-pillar, and dark chrome finish. The boot has 910 liters. You can also have Kodiaq as a 5- or 7-seater. Completely redesigned interior and new set of controls. Its freestanding infotainment screen measures up to 13 inches. In Kodiaq, you can choose between petrol, diesel, or plug-in hybrid engine from 110 to 150 kilowatt, always with DSG transmission and possibility of 4x4 drive. And safety, of course. Up to 9 airbags and plenty of safety and comfort assistance. But now, I'm off to have an adventure in the new Kodiaq all by myself.
Škoda.